In this video, I will show how to set up Nov Proxy in Firefox. So you need to log in Nov Proxy account, then go short time proxy. I am connected short time proxy, and if you need any others country like United States, Singapore, United Arab Emirates, and many others country there if you need on your requirement. So I select US and state California, then query IP pool, then you need to select proxy. So extract, go using list, see the IP I was selected, copy the proxy, go Firefox, and here proxy extension. If you can use any other extension, click option, proxies, click add, title Nov Proxy, select SOX 5 and paste here proxy. Password, then save and go proxy extension and enable Nov Proxy. Open new tab and search ho.net. It's loading little bit. So I'll tell you, if you need any kind of ESA account like go to Moneylion, Sophie, Chime, Venmo, Cash App, and many others US stuff, you feel free to join my Telegram. And did you see my proxy was connected? So that's the video for Nov Proxy connected. That's for today. Thank you.